There are two ways to tell the difference between a male flower and a female flower on a zucchini plant. The first way is that the female flower has a cluster on the inside of her bloom, and that is called a stigma. The male flower just has a single stalk sticking up, and that is called a stamen. Now you want the pollen to go from the stamen over to the stigma in order for there to be a zucchini. The second way, if we look down in here, a female bloom will always have a baby zucchini attached to it. They will always do this regardless of if it gets pollinated or not. The difference is, if it doesn't get pollinated, this will turn yellow and it will start to fall off the vine. The male flower just has this long, skinny stalk that is attached to the flower. There's no zucchini on that. So to recap, a male flower has a single stamen in the center, and it also has a long, skinny stalk holding up its bloom. The female flower has a cluster in the center called a stigma, and it always has a baby zucchini attached to it. Now, if you don't see pollinators in your garden, you can manually pollinate. Now, lucky for me, I do have pollinators in my garden, and that bee will take the pollen from this male flower over to the female. But if you don't see any in your garden and you're a little worried, you can always take a little stick or even your finger. You can grab some of that pollen. You can move it over here to the female flower and deposit it onto the female flower. So that way you can ensure that your zucchini is pollinated and you'll actually have some zucchini to eat.